Welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So in this video, we will guide you through the process of how to fix the issue of Dell docking station Ethernet not working. So follow step-by-step instruction to resolve the connectivity problem and ensure your device is functioning properly. So now let's begin. First solution is you have to update your network adapter drivers. Plug your docking station into your PC without connecting the Ethernet cable to your dock here. So go to the device manager and find network adapter. Then right click on each one to select properties and go to the drivers tab. Then choose update driver. So after this you have to install the latest driver automatically. And now in solution 2 you have to disable energy efficient Ethernet. So first you have to search for device manager in the start menu. Then after you have to open your device manager and expand your network adapter. Then right click on the active adapter. Then go to the properties and navigate to the advanced tab. So first we have to locate the energy efficient Ethernet property. So after this you have to select it and then change the value of a disable or off. So you have to save the changes by clicking OK, then restart your computer to apply the setting effectively. So in solution 3, you have to perform a hard dock reset. Unplug the docking station from power and your laptop. Then hold down the power button on the docking station for 30 seconds. Then reconnect the power cable to the docking station. Then reconnect your laptop to the docking station. So after this, check if this resolve or not the Ethernet connectivity issue effectively. So in solution 4, you have to update the MAC address for Dell Giga Ethernet. First, you have to access device manager and expand the network adapter session. Then right click on your active network adapter. Then select properties. In the properties window, open the advanced tab. And now you have to select network address under properties. Enter the MAC address without hyphen and click OK to select changes. So first you have to restart your computer to apply the setting effectively. So these are the solutions you have to take them one by one if you see your Ethernet not working in your Dell docking station. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in our next video.